Hello, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Samir and you are watching Park Entertainer. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the Chrome theme. So first of all, open the Chrome, then go to settings. You will find the word appearance here, and on second number you will find themes, so just click on it. Here's the wide range of themes. Just choose anyone you like. I want to set, wait, first let me choose. I want to set this one. Just click on it. After that you will find this add to Chrome. First of all, check compatible with your device this word, then click on add to Chrome. It's of 16.38 MB. It will get 2 or 3 minutes. Watch here, just 1 MB is remaining. Just wait for a while. It's completed. Yeah, it's applied to my Chrome. I'm going to show you how it will appear. Here's your new theme, new wallpaper, everything new. It's so beautiful. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more informative and entertainment videos. Allah.